Hey guys, I am at Manatee Springs State Park in Chiefland, Florida. I went down to the spring head and checked out the swimming area, and that looks like it's going to be a lot of fun. So that's what I'm looking forward to doing tomorrow. Let me show you this campsite. This is behind my van. I'm standing at the door of my van and looking at the fire ring and picnic table. It's pretty private over here. I was able to angle the van so that it was a little more private. There's a campsite there, but there doesn't seem to be anybody there right now. It's a full hookup site, so I will be able to drain my gray water tank and fill my water jugs before I leave here. There's nobody on this side of me yet. Yeah, I'm really happy with this site. The weather is really nice. It reached about 84, 85 today, and I think it's going to be about that tomorrow. No rain in the forecast, and there's a light breeze right now, which is keeping it a little cooler feeling. It's supposed to be fall weather right now, but it is Florida, and this is fall for Florida. Yeah, it's nice to be back on the road. So I have a fire going. I am making barbecued veggies in a foil packet. I'm going to make some baked beans to go with it, just from a can in a saucepan, and maybe a fruit salad. And hopefully I'll have enough daylight to see what I'm doing. So I have zucchini, onion, mushrooms, bell pepper, and I chopped up some little pieces of apple. I thought that might be good in here. I'm adding a little black pepper, salt, paprika, and I'm just drizzling on a little bit of olive oil. And I probably should have put the shiny side of the aluminum foil in, but it's gonna get wrapped one more time, so I think it'll be fine. There we go. I need my fire to die down a little more. I have a feeling that's too hot. I may have to pull them back off there. Oh, that looks done to me. Yeah, that barbecue sauce is toasted. Man, it looks good. It's actually a little overdone, but I think it's gonna be delicious. So I got a lantern on. The bugs may run me inside, but oh man, look at this. Now for the taste test. This is mushroom and apple. That's good. I don't just say this, guys. It really is. Try zucchini here. I don't know if I'm just hungry or what, but it's all delicious. I've got people walking by and I feel so self-conscious. Oh well. Alright, I'm gonna eat. I am heading out to do some tubing. I bet it's gonna be cold. We will see. Well, the temperature is cool, but not that bad. Once you get in and kind of get used to it. I've got a little bit of a current fighting me, but there's buoys, so I can't go too far. That spring was awesome. I loved it. My battery died on me, or I would have gotten more footage. The weather is perfect for it. The temperature of the water was chilly when I first got in, and then it was comfortable after that. I just had to kind of get my body temperature adjusted. I floated around for a while and just relaxed. This has been a really nice campground. It's nice and wooded. I've seen tons of like wildlife. There were some deer and the armadillo and lots of squirrels and birds, and I heard all kinds of noises last night in the woods. I don't know what those were, but yeah, it's been nice. I'm definitely gonna make a point to come back to this one. You're supposed to be able to do quite some kayaking here, and I did see a few kayakers. This river is supposed to be really nice for that, but I didn't have my kayaks, of course. Yeah, I enjoyed myself. I got to relax and get out on the water, and all things come to an end, so I'm going to be leaving here soon. So I will see you guys next week. I hope you liked the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and see you then. Bye.